Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
That looks like a floppy fish. Ow. My ankle.
Do it again.
Stop.
One more time. One more time. One more time, and I will do one.
Oh my god, how many more times do I have to do? Put my hands up. Ready? What are you guys laughing at?
Wait, I didn't get a picture of that. Just do it one more time. I'm gonna try and catch you in midair.
One more time.
One more
I'm
time.
gonna get brain damage by the time. Stop. That's funny. I feel like crawling through this hole.
Ready, Christian? One more time. Do it for Kyle.
That wasn't even a flip. You put your hands down.
I know. I didn't get a picture of it. One more time.
Holy Jesus, my head hurts already.
We'll stand up so it's easier.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
Dale, can I show Christian mine?
No.
Please?
If he does it one more time, then yeah, you can.
No.
All right, ready, Christian?
Not.
One more time. One.
Come on, Christian. On
All right, Christian, one more time, and then Shannon will show you some cool tricks. Ready, Christian? One more time. Woo!
Come on, Christian.
You just got nice hair. You got shocked so bad.
I know, this is like your mother. Hold on.
Paparazzi.
That was way too close. Hold on.
One, two, three, go!
My brain hurts. No.
Okay. Hong Kong.
What are you doing?